student's account, and you can see she's already up 230 doing this Forex trade here using these free indicators, just two indicators, right? The dynamic levels breakouts and the MACD bands by TradeMaster, just these two indicators. The signal was a sell signal, okay? So we took a short trade like just an hour ago, and you can see it is up 240, okay? And guys, this is a just by the way. Right now, I want to even show you something more interesting, okay? I am training this student both Forex trading and binary options trading. And for binary options trading, we are using these pocket options, and we have taken a few trades here, guys. You can see we've taken all these trades today, just like 15 minutes ago, and we were up 1,050, okay? So I'm just gonna show you the setup. It's a very simple setup, guys. You just come here and choose an asset, okay? It could be currencies, could be crypto, could be commodities, could be stocks, but I go with currencies or stocks because they are paying 92%, okay? Every time you put in $1, you make $1.92. Put in $1, you make $1.92. That is if you get it right, okay, guys? So what I'm providing here is not financial advice. I'm just giving you our experience. Some of us have been online since 1998. And before we proceed, let us say a word of prayer. I'm a believer. Father, in the name of the power of the Almighty, I pray that the teaching I'm going to share today with your student here, Martha, my student, and all the people who are going to watch this on YouTube, that if they apply this strategy, they will be successful in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Guys, so it's a very simple setup. I call this technique the retest technique, okay? So we are using only one moving average, and this is the moving average 200 EMA, okay? Just to show us the trend. So when the candles are closing above the 200, we know that is an upward trend. So we shall be looking for buy options. We're going to be buying. We'll be looking for the green, but we're not going to jump into the green. We have a twist to this strategy. We're going to wait for it to retest, okay? So once it retests, then that's the time we're going to take the trade on a new candle, okay? For example, here, that's how we were taking these trades, okay? And I recorded this video, but I forgot that there was audio failure. So when I tried to replay it, it didn't play. So I'm just recording this to show you guys what we did earlier, okay? So just bear with me here. So like now you can see there was a retest here. Okay, so this is retesting, okay? So we're gonna wait. The candles are 30-second candles, and the trade time is 1 minute, and we are gonna trade 200. We're using about 1% of our account. Sorry, 10% of our account, okay? That is very risky for newbies, okay? So if you're a newbie, you wanna use a smaller size, like 1%, between 1% and 3%, okay? So basically, if we had jumped in here, we would be in the money. Okay, so we can wait for the next candle. This is still retesting. Okay, you can see because of this big bullish candle here, we are still trying to retest that. Okay, so this is coming down. This is coming down. So if this is a red candle, we're going to jump in when a green candle forms. Okay, so this one here, no. Okay, let's find another pair. Let's find another pair, and let's wait for our 200 EMA. Okay, here you see, this is all going up. They are all going up, okay? So we're going to wait for the next candle to form. If this is a retest, it will be the opposite color. Okay, there you go. So it is red, so it is playing into our hands. Okay, if it closes as a red candle, then we're going to jump in that one. Okay, there we go. So we've just jumped into that trade, guys, and hopefully it will hold. Okay, so right now it's in and the money, out of the money, in the money, out of the money, in the money, in the money, out of the money. Okay, so might be a stronger retest here. It doesn't matter. If we lose, we're going to jump in on another trade and keep on going. Okay. All right, so it looks like that's out of the money. Yep, that was out of the money. Could be a change of direction, change of trend, guys. You could see that could be a change of trend. Yeah, it's no longer a retest. That could be a change of trend. Okay, so we're gonna lose the first one, and we can jump in for the second one. Okay. There we go. We wait for that to close, and then we jump in the next one. There we go. So we're going to jump here with 3 so we can recoup our loss. Okay. All right, so we jumped in there. All right, guys, you can see we jumped in at 600. If we win, we make 1,152. And we are going to recoup all our losses. Okay, we're just hoping that it holds. Okay, let's see what the next candle is going to do. Well, it's going in the opposite direction, but there's hopefully enough sellers to push this up. There's enough sellers to push this up. Yes. It looks like there's enough sellers to push this up, guys. Very simple strategy, guys. Okay, very, very simple. So we're in the money, guys. Booyah, 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 booyah. Boom! Over $1,000, man. You guys can see that. We just lost this. We recouped the losses and made massive profit, guys. Okay, so I'm out of here, guys. I don't need to prove any point again. All I ask you guys is to subscribe to this channel if you like this type of training. And if you want somebody to train you one-on-one, go ahead and join the Smart Wolf Club community. The links are in the description. If you don't have a binary options platform, here is Pocket Options. The link in the description. Go ahead and open a free account, demo account for free. All you need is your name, your email address. Open that account and start practicing this strategy. This is the simplest strategy. My student, I just showed her this morning, and we are able to take all these trades. You can see all this money she's made up today. All this, over $2,000 made today, right here. We made 1050 earlier, okay? Now we just made another plus 1152, which we just made right here. You can see that's 2,202, okay? 2,202 in less than 5 minutes. Trading simple retest technique. I call it the retest strategy, retesting strategy. Because all you're doing is, you know, it's supposed to be an upward trend, okay? But during the trend, there's a breakout here. This goes down. It's like a retracement. So during the retracement, you're going to take a trade in the opposite direction, okay? You're going to take a trade in the direction of the trend, okay? So we let this red candle close. The red candle closes, and we're going to jump in when the green candle starts forming. And these are 30-second candles, okay? But we are doing a 1-minute trade. So therefore, 2 of these candles are going to appear before your trade closes, okay? And the idea here is to close in the money, in profit, okay? You don't want to lose. So this strategy has over 90% win success rate, guys, if you apply it to the T. And if you want somebody to show you one-on-one, you can send us an email, okay? Join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. If you don't like Telegram, we have a WhatsApp group. If you don't like WhatsApp group, we have a Facebook group. Join the Smart Wolf Club community, and you'll be invited to a private Facebook group where we share all these strategies. Now, if you want a one-on-one, because we do that, I have a student here. She's camera shy. Her name is Martha. She's learning how to trade binary options, stocks, Forex. Like, she took this trade today, and you can see already it's up some money here, 110. We've not even closed it yet, and we are only using these 2 indicators here, guys. Free indicators on. These are free indicators on TradingView. You can see it's up and down, but it's eventually going to end up in profit, guys, okay? So let me go back here and just, you want us to take another one? Okay, let's do the last one and see what happens here. Okay, let's see. All right, so here is a 200, okay? So it is signifying an upward trend, okay? So we're going to have to wait for a retracement, okay? The red candles to start forming up here, and then that's when we're going to jump in. So we call it a simple retest strategy, okay, for binary options. Very, very effective if you can master this. But of course, guys, you have to be patient. You have to have the proper mindset, and you have to practice the proper risk management, okay? Never go in with all your account. Max is 1 to 3%, 1 to 5% if you're a beginner. Okay, so here we could have gone in, but I was talking, and so I didn't jump in. But let's see. We can wait for the next one, because you could see there was a retracement here. If we had jumped in for 1 minute, we would be in the money right now, smiling all the way to the bank. Let's find another pair. Okay, here we go. Where's the 200? Let's see. There you go. So here is a retracement. Okay, so we're going to jump in the next candle. Okay, there we go. So we jumped in the next candle, and hopefully it will go up. There you go. It just went up. Okay, it went up, guys. So hopefully we are in the money, guys. You can see we are in the money, guys. Okay, we are in the money, guys. We are in the money, guys. Okay, I don't even need to look at this, guys. Do you guys want us to wait for the 1 minute? We are in the money. Okay, even though they're pushing down, I know there's enough momentum to take us up. You can see it is in the money, guys. You can see it's deeply in the money, guys, so far. Unless something catastrophic happens, it is in the money. Okay, maybe not. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, it's holding. Okay, it's still holding. 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, booyah! There we go. There you go. You guys saw that, okay? So, proved the point, okay? So, guys, this is the simplest technique you can apply in your trading. Not too many indicators, just one moving average. Sometimes I don't even use the moving average. I just use my visual. I see the trend. That's all. No lines drawn. Less complicated, less clutter, easy money. All right, guys? So, go and practice, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with your at least 5 people. Okay, go ahead and do that. We need to get this channel to 5,000. That's like a magic number right there, 5,000, because we are looking for at least 1,000 people, brothers and sisters, that we can teach these strategies, that can follow these strategies and get them to that $1 million mark a year. Okay, guys. So, leave your comments below if you have any questions, okay? Because I know there's a lot of haters and naysayers. Go ahead and leave your comments below, and we will answer your questions as they come along. And if you want to be part of the group, join the Smart Wolf Club community. The link is in the description. If you don't have a binary options platform to trade, go ahead and open an account. Pocket Options, I've put a link in the description. It is free to start a demo account, and you can practice. All you need is your name and your email address. Give them a good email address, because you have to verify your email address. And of course, you got to identify yourself, verification. Okay. All right. And then, of course, practice proper risk management, guys. Don't risk more money than you can afford to lose, guys. Okay. Otherwise, you end up in the doghouse. We don't want that. Okay. Always trade with monies that you can afford to lose, guys. So I'm out of here. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share with the others. Goodbye, good night, good morning, good evening.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing